Hi guys, my name is Johan from Restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to give you my 2 cents on the essential process of cleaning with the help of a bicycle wheel cleaning example. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I also have a Facebook group. You're free to join that as well with the help of the link in the description below. So cleaning is something that's going to be part of any bike restoration product, so you want to do this as effective and efficient as possible, and or enjoy the process itself when it doesn't go that fast. So the wheel comes from a Koga Miyata Skyrunner, which had been sitting in somebody's garage for at least 7 years, and I doubt that the bike had ever been cleaned during those years. When I bought the bike, the front tire sat on a flat and the tan sidewalls of the tires were completely rotted and have since been replaced by Hump Tulips Ridge tires. But the first step was to fix the flat, so I did. There was wear around the valve, which is a classic place for a flat when tubes simply get old instead of punctured. So next up is the actual cleaning of the spokes, in this case 36 per wheel. To get them really clean takes a lot of time, especially where they cross each other and where they enter the hub. So I simply put on a webinar and do the work, what Tony Robbins calls net time or no extra time. So I just, enjoy the cleaning while I'm trying to educate myself. And I use a toothpick to get in between the hub and spokes. So a rear bicycle wheel cleaning includes removing, cleaning, and reinstalling the cassette. And this wheel has a free hub, so I can remove the cassette and safely clean it by submerging it in white spirit. White spirit is an extremely strong degreaser, is very cheap, and can be reused ad infinitum when you filter it occasionally. And the difference between a dirty and clean cassette is light and day. So normally I would also overhaul the hubs during a bicycle wheel cleaning, but these wheels are different than what I'm used to and require 2 13mm cone wrenches, which I didn't have. So I'll need to buy those and leave the bicycle hub overhaul for another time. And that concludes this little video about a bicycle wheel cleaning. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to the Facebook group. And I hope I can welcome you again for the next video. Bye for now.